So on 2 and 3, they're similar. You're just choosing which one's A, which one's B, which one's C. Remember the ones that touch the right angle, that's A and B. You could switch those around if you want. Same idea here, A and B. You're getting a square root and simplifying the square root. If you need help on that, I'll do that later. This one I think I want to do right now, just because some people got confused last period. So on this, I'm going to choose my A and B. My A is going to be x minus 2. My B is going to be 8, because those both touch the right angle. And then x is going to be my C value. So I'm going to do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And I'll work it out. So this is the part that gets confusing for people. X minus 2 squared plus 64 equals x squared. I just squared 8 to get 64. But there we go. I need to know how to write down this part. So that's what I'm going to do first. So my x minus 2 squared, that's just x minus 2 times x minus 2. And then you FOIL this out. So it's x times x is x squared. So I'll write this. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. So I've done this multiplied to both of these. And now I'm going to do the other term multiplied to both of these. So negative 2 times x is, again, negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And then I combine like terms. It makes a claw. It's like you FOIL or just distribute a bunch, and it makes a claw. So x squared. Negative 2x and negative 2x make negative 4x, and then plus 4. So all of this becomes this. And then I can write down plus 64 equals x squared. And then I'll combine like terms again. Oh my goodness. I'm having so much fun. Oh, I used to make so many videos, except for I was by myself, so I'd do accents and then talk to myself. Nobody liked them. So I have x squared minus 4x plus 68 equals x squared. And then I'm going to try and get my x squared over to the other side, consolidate them. But look what happens! They cancel out to 0. So I get negative 4. Don't worry. It's okay. Plus 68 equals 0. But then this is an easy thing to solve. We just add 4x. Yes, this is number 4. 68 equals 4x. Divide by 4. What is that? 17? I believe so. So for number 4, x equals 17. I just did the whole thing. The tricky part, I think, is remembering how to FOIL, or remembering how to multiply those binomials. I think tomorrow we're going to practice that. We're also going to practice simplifying radicals, and we're going to practice a couple of these problems. Yeah. What was the answer? 17, sorry. The answer is 17. Questions on that? I think on the rest of these problems, let's see, number 6. I'll put that back up afterwards. But on number 6, you just put in an x, and then it's exactly like these problems. Put in an x there, put in an x there. The other part is to tell if the side lengths form a Pythagorean triple. So if you get a whole number for x, it makes a Pythagorean triple. If you get a whole number for x, it makes a Pythagorean triple. Here, we definitely don't have a Pythagorean triple because we already don't have whole numbers. And then I think in a little bit, I'll let you guys work on that, but in a little bit, we'll maybe take a look at one of these or look at one of those tomorrow. But also, sorry, you don't have to do them all. 2 through 4, so all of these, 6 through 8, all of those, 23 and 22, don't worry about 24, 34, sorry, 30, 34, and 35 I want you to try. So you don't have to do 24.